Okay, let's make some taco stuffed peppers. These were so good. My husband and I really enjoyed this recipe, and I kind of made this one up. But let's go ahead and get started on this. First, you'll need 2 bell peppers. I have 1 orange one and 1 yellow one. And I do recommend using the sweet bell peppers. Go ahead and take the core out, and then we are going to slice these in half. Make sure you get all the seeds out, and we're going to parboil these for 15 minutes. And if you're following along, while those are boiling, we're going to grab 1 pound of ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you'd like, but I'm allergic to ground turkey. I did go ahead and scramble this, and I drained the fat off of it, what little fat it had. Added just about 1/4 a cup of water, and now I'm going to add some taco seasoning mix. Give it a stir, and you want to make sure your stovetop eye is on low to medium. And now we're going to add some corn. We are going to add 1 cup of frozen corn, and I'm just using the super sweet steamed corn, frozen corn. Bump your stovetop eye down to low, and we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now you will need a baking dish, and I've just got an 8x8 baking dish. I went ahead and put some olive oil in it, and I'm just going to oil my baking dish. I'm going to grate some sharp cheddar cheese, and probably about 1 cup is all you need. After 15 minutes, you want to go ahead and put those bell peppers in this baking dish. Make sure you get all the water off of them. And what the parboiling does, it just softens the outer layer of the bell pepper. And now we're just going to take our meat mixture and pack it into those bell peppers. Once you're done packing them with the ground turkey or the ground beef mixture, go ahead and put the cheese on top. And now we are just going to pop these in the oven for 20 minutes. And voila, 20 minutes later, these were absolutely delicious. We had some rice on the side, and you could always have these with mashed potatoes and maybe even green beans. They were so good.